navigate the menu to the Systems tab where the settings are located. Use the down arrow to highlight date and time and press the OK button. When the date and time box appears, you will see that the year is highlighted. Use the up and down arrow keys to change the year. Press the OK button to save the year, and the month will now be highlighted. Again, use the up and down arrow keys to change the month and press OK to save and move on to the day. The time is based on a 24-hour clock. Once you have selected the hour, press OK to save and the minutes will be highlighted. Once you have set the date and time and hit the final OK button, your adjustments will save, bringing you back to the Systems tab. If you exit the date and time box before you have gone through all 6 of the options, your adjustment will not save. Be sure to always press OK after each column, ensuring that you're saving it.